Hello friends, so today we are going to study what is the meaning of angle of elevation. In trigonometry, to find either the height or distance of a perpendicular object from some observation point, we have to use this relationship and their angle of elevation is applied. Now suppose we have a straight tall object perpendicular to the ground and there is one observer standing at point A observing something on the top of this perpendicular shape at point B. We consider the observer to be a point object so that his line of vision is from A to B like this. So this is called the line of vision and this object is perpendicular to the ground or the horizontal and making an angle of 90 degree here. Then the angle made by the eye of an observer with the object is called, we are denoting it by angle theta, is called the angle of elevation, because to see this object we have to elevate or raise our eye. If a person is standing here, then he has to raise his vision or eye to look at this object. So this is called the angle of elevation. This can be the height of the object. This object can be a tower or a tree, or it can be a pole which is standing perpendicular to the ground. This is the distance of the object from the observer, and this is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Now, since we know the table of trigonometric ratios, if we know this angle and the distance, we can find height. If we know this angle and the height, we can find the distance. So, this is called the angle of elevation and it is used to solve the trigonometric height and distance problems. Now, what is the angle of depression? Similarly, suppose we have an object perpendicular to the ground. This is the ground level. Suppose the observer is standing here at point A and he is observing some object at point B. Then he has to lower his line of vision. His line of vision horizontal to the ground will be this, but he has to lower down his line of vision to look at this object. Then this line, which is an imaginary line, is parallel to the ground, so it is considered as a straight line. Then the angle made by the line of vision and this horizontal is called angle of depression, because to look at the object in this case, the observer has to lower down his line of vision to the horizontal. Thus, in any triangle, if we have an angle of depression, then this is equal to the angle of elevation. The angle of depression is always equal to the angle of elevation because this line is parallel to the ground, to the horizontal, and this line makes a transversal. So, this make pair of alternate interior angles. So, angle of elevation is always equal to angle of depression. So, these are the two angles which are the basic concepts when solving the height and distance problems. Thank you.